Have you ever wished you could install, maintain, and style your own hair system with confidence? Now you can. Whether you're brand new to hair systems or simply want to stop relying on salon appointments. Our DIY hair system course will teach you everything you need to know, from your very first installation to long-term maintenance. You'll learn how to choose the right adhesive for your system, step-by-step installation techniques, washing, styling, and daily care, how to remove and reinstall your system safely, troubleshooting tips to make your system last longer, and plenty of professional secrets we've learned over years of helping thousands of clients. This course was created by the team at Superhairpieces with one goal in mind: helping you feel confident and independent. And the best part, it's available exclusively to our YouTube members. For less than the cost of coffee, you'll unlock this complete course, plus exclusive members-only content, tips, and future tutorials. Click the join button below and start your DIY journey today.